Hello everyone. It's about a week into the New Year's. It's the first Saturday this year. Picked up 2 lawnmowers for $10. I'm going through this one, has water in the tank. And the primer don't work as far as I know. I put the pull handle rope back on with the pull it, check for spark, which I'm sure it doesn't have that. Cables are busted on it, missing the guards. I'm pretty positive this has no spark. Picked up the Honda. Cables are missing. He was a self-propelled, so that's all taken off. I checked for spark. I don't know if I'm not pulling it hard enough. So what I did is I dribbled some 2-stroke and gas in it, and cables are bent. So to me, this is the easiest way to check for spark. Is to just go ahead and just get in it and just put gas down its throat. It's got oil. That one doesn't. Set y'all up. Dip it this way, get some of that gas down in there. Raise the... It does have issues rolling through grass. Just like the Toro, which I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I might end up taking the motor off on it and putting it on this other deck. So I have something that's not a mulcher, because it has a hard time cutting grass. Well, like I said, dribbled gas in it. Well, it got spark. The only thing I hate about lawnmowers is sick. See what I mean? Oh, she got spark. The other one, I'm going to wait until I go through it more because I need to know more information about it. Hey, did I dump all? Well, I don't know if there's still any gas left in there. This is that little bit. It's got a lot of oil in it. No, I don't got much time to do any of this, so. It sounds like you might have a stuck valve, and she's popping real good. Get more in and give her a good yank here. Well, at least I know at least one of them's got a good motor. I spent $10. I went to buy the Honda for 10, and the guys had that other one. He said, "You want it?" And I was like, "Yeah, we'll take it." This thing does not like to go in. I just needed to go in just enough to, just so used to have a handle like this. Okay, well, I can't spend too much time today. Which that was my plan, was to really get in these today, but well, there you have it. She does have sparks. She's firing. She's backfiring. It may just need, so all I really need to do is go through the fuel system, and then shoot, it should run. Clean, well, I want to pull the top off, make sure there's mouse nest in it. That should be easy to get going then. This one, on the other hand, I don't know. But if I can't get this motor going, I'm planning on putting that motor on that deck. And then, until I can get the PA, because it's in Pennsylvania, I have the exact motor for this deck. And then when I do that, I should be getting up there about springtime. Then I'll go ahead and probably not even bother taking that motor off then. I'll put that motor on that. I think this just needs a little cleaned up in the carburetor. So thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one.